Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Ford Maverick and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular factory taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the taillight. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution all around the taillight. And with the clean microfiber towel, just go all around the taillight and making sure we remove any contaminants that the lens might have. So for this installation, it is a 3-piece installation. So with this one, we're going to start off with the bottom layer of the taillight first and then work our way to the top piece here. So first for this one, you want to start by applying Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the tint. And start by aligning it to this side of the taillight first. With this one, you want to align the tint right where the taillight ends. It's not going to curve inside the taillight. It's just right here where the taillight ends. You're aligning it on the bottom half here and also on the side here. Once you have this piece aligned, lift the film, apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and with your squeegee, start tacking it down. So once we finish tacking down this section, the next thing to do is helping the film stretch up to this edge of the taillight here. So when we stretch, we want to make sure we meet this edge of the tint right to this edge of the taillight here. So to stretch it, all you need to do is lift the film and apply Slip Solution. Place it back down. Make sure this area is dry and then stretch the film. And you're only stretching up to the edge right here. So if it gets dry again, apply Slip Solution. Place it down and stretch the film. So make sure you're aligning it on this section here and over here as well. So make sure it's still aligned, hold it in place, and use your Tack Solution to start tacking this section down. So there is a small curve here and here. You might have fingers on these two sections of the curve. So to remove those fingers, apply Tack Solution and with your squeegee, tack them down, go at an angle. That way you help the tint form to this curve here. And you do the same on the bottom. And if you do have a small finger here and a small finger here, all we need to do is apply a little bit of Tack Solution on both sides and add a little bit of heat to help remove these two fingers here. And you would just continue this section here until you bring those fingers down. Okay, so that should be good. And now make sure before we finish sealing it, there's no water bubbles behind the film. And we need to make sure we seal this top edge here first before we install the middle piece here. So to seal it, apply Tack Solution, and with your heat gun, just go across here. Okay, so for this middle section, it's almost the same thing as this bottom piece. You're just going to start by aligning it right on this edge first, and then work your way to stretching the film to this side of the taillight here. So first apply Slip Solution to the lens, and Slip Solution to the tint. Place it and align it first on this side. And the film is going to overlap to this section here, so that's perfectly fine if it overlaps. Now that we have this section aligned, lift the film, apply Tack Solution, hold it in position and start tagging it down. With this middle piece here, all across this middle section, there is a small curve on the tail light. So for each section of the curve, we're just gonna work our way on installing each piece at a time. That way the film stays flat to each curve here. So let's first focus on tacking down this curve here. So make sure you remove all the solution behind the film here. Bring it up and bring the water down as well. You want it as flat as possible here. And you would just work your way up to the side here. So just remove all the moisture, flatten it out. So first, just work all inside here. Once you have most of it covered here and it's flat and the film isn't lifting, then we can start by stretching this section here. That way, this piece of the film flattens out better. And we have this film and stretch it and reach it to this edge. So now that we worked our way in this piece here, lift the film here, apply slip solution, place it down, make sure this area is dry, and stretch it. And you're only stretching up to the edge here, so roughly around there. And then just work your way when installing each piece. So be careful not to crease the film. Take your time, help it tack down. You can use your finger to help guide it, and then bring it down. So make sure this is still aligned, and then tack it down. Something to do to help eliminate the slip solution that's underneath the film is actually applying tack solution. So lift the film, apply just a little bit of tack solution, stretch it to keep it aligned, and then start tagging it down. That would help the adhesive activate faster, and also it helps removing the slip solution from behind the film. So here, there's still moisture. Make sure it's flat, and here as well. Bring the moisture down, tack it down. And all you're doing is just focusing around this area, tacking everything down. This may take some time. As long as you make sure you remove all of the water bubbles or any solution behind the film, you should be good. So just take your time. So help it separate. Apply tack solution. That way your finger glides better with the film. It has to be flat surface. Now that we made sure that the film is flat, wipe it. That way you could double check and see if there's any solution or any water bubbles behind the film. If you see that everything's good to go, then you could start sealing the top half here, because we are going to overlap the next film that we install here to this section here. So we want to make sure before we seal everything, we double check that there's no water bubbles behind the film. So make sure it's flat to the tail light. And now we can apply tack solution on the top section here and use heat gun to seal this piece here. Okay, so the final piece here, to start off, just apply slip solution and slip solution to the tint. And the same step, align it here, and then we stretch it. So the film overlaps with this one again, just a little bit. So just right about there, it will overlap, and it should cover up to the top section here. Now that we have it aligned, lift the film, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Keep it aligned, hold it in place, and tack it down. Once we finish tacking down this piece here, now we need to stretch the film to reach it to this end. So to stretch it, lift the film and apply slip solution, place it back down, and stretch the film. So this one is going to take some more force to stretch. So what we can do to help release the tension with the film is apply slip solution and pre-stretch the film. And now we can pre-stretch the film because this one is a more deeper curve than these two sections here. So we just need to help it pre-stretch in order to release the tension on the film. Make sure this area is dry too, so you can have a grip. So now those fingers that we had here in the middle, most of them have disappeared. So now that we stretch the film, hold it in place and apply tack solution. And with your squeegee, start tacking this whole entire section down. That way the film doesn't move. And now that we tacked down the whole film, now our main focus will be removing any small fingers that are in this curve here and on this small curve here as well. So to remove them, apply Tack Solution, and with our heat gun, apply heat on each section. And then with the microfiber towel, we're just gonna help it tack down. You could also wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee to help tack down these fingers around these curves here. And that's it, you're pretty much done. And now the last thing to do is just pulse heat the whole entire film. And after that, you're done with the installation. Okay, so the last thing to do is just pulse heat the whole entire film. So to pulse heat, apply Tack Solution all around the film. And also make sure you apply Tack Solution where we overlap the film as well, and on the edges. And then with your microfiber towel and your heat gun, just start going all around and making sure we heat up each area. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it sticks better to the tail light. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2023 Ford Maverick. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.